Okay, today we're looking at a 2013 Mazda 3 Grand Touring Edition. All right, it's got 57,000 miles on it. It's liquid silver metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here at the driver's side. All right, it does have the lock unlock button on the steering or on the door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. All right, everything along the driver's side is in good shape. Got the spoiler in the back. Rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Does have that Skyactiv technology. All right, make our way down the passenger side. It also has a lock unlock button in the door handle. It's a really nice feature. All right, the exterior of this Mazda is in good shape. All right, it's a 13 with 57,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels. Just a little wear and tear right there on the door handle. Okay, but it's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the Bose audio. Okay, black leather seating. Driver's seat's in pretty good shape. Just a small tear in the leather right there on the seat. Okay, does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger leather's in good shape. All right, no problem there. Go ahead and pan out a little bit, give you a shot of the sunroof. Okay, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats there. Got your dual climate controls. Got your radio, AM, FM, CD player right there. Okay, we'll show you that in a second. It does have the push button start. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel audio, and Bluetooth. All right, and then it's got the blind spot monitoring system. Okay, blind spot monitoring system. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 57,774 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the display screen here. Got your fuel range, miles per gallon, got your thermostat, got your time of day, got your other display right here. You've also got the radio display, climate controls, heated seats. I don't think there's a backup camera. There's no backup camera. Okay, just got your AM FM stereo, the CD player, you got your high definition radio. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. There is no SD card, so if you were to produce an SD card, I suppose it would have navigation, but this one does not have the SD card. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Everything back here looks good. Back seat leather's in good shape. No problem at all there. Does have the center console that comes down. The cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Does have like a little sunshade here. Carpet back here is in good shape. All right, got your spare tire down there and the cargo net. All right, but I'll step to the side. Plenty of room back here in the back of this Mazda 3. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. All right, tires still in good shape. Brand new set of tires there. All right, once again, it's a 2013 Mazda 3 Grand Touring, 57,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.